Let's talk about how to fix the Sims error code, however. Game needs update in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't despair. Fellow Simmers, we're here to guide you through every step to conquer this annoying error and get your Sims back on track. You'll learn exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve error code, however, ensuring your game launches smoothly and you can return to your virtual lives without but hitch. First things first, the error message specifically says game needs update. So let's verify that. Head over to your app or Origin. Play and navigate to The Sims, then your game library, and look for an update option. Sometimes the client doesn't automatically trigger it, so a manual check is crucial to ensure you're running the latest version. This simple step often resolves the entire issue by itself.
If an update isn't available or didn't fix it, our next move is to repair your game files. Both the app and Origin have a repair or verify option for The Sims. With this process scans your installation for any corrupt or missing files and replaces them effectively, patching up any internal damage that might be causing error. It's like giving your game a much-needed health check.
Still stuck? It's time to clear out any old, potentially corrupted cache files. These temporary files can sometimes interfere with game updates or launch processes, leading to errors like that. You'll typically find these in your Sims user folder in Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims, and particularly the Cachester and local thumb cache package files. Deleting them forces the game to rebuild fresh, clean versions next time you launch it. For many Simmers, custom content and mods are essential, but they can also be culprits for error codes. If you use mods, temporarily remove your mods folder from the Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims, the directory tray, launching the game without them. If it works, an outdated or incompatible mod is the issue, then you can slowly reintroduce your mods, testing after each batch to pinpoint the problematic one or simply ensure they are all updated.